What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, today is the first Youtober video that I'm doing. I'm so excited. So this video is actually something I asked if you guys wanted a while ago, and I did get some response saying you did. So this is why you need a mailing list. If you guys don't know, a mailing list is an email list where basically you collect emails from viewers and people who want updates on your content, and either weekly, daily, or monthly you send them updates about what you're doing, the content you're creating, and just kind of more about you. So I love mailing lists. I join a lot of them, but a lot of people find them to be a bit obsolete, when in reality they're not. Mailing lists are perfect for older generations, usually people above 24. They still sign up for mailing lists a lot. And if you go on to media websites or company websites, a lot of times they have mailing lists or even blogs, honestly. They're a great way to share your content with people who might not be regular visitors to what you're doing. So if you may have some casual viewers on your YouTube channel that you want to turn into subscribers, or that they are subscribers but they don't check their YouTube often, then sending them these emails is a perfect way to show them, hey, here's what I'm doing, here's what you missed, you should go check it out. Now, in my email list, I usually add 2 to 3 videos, an Instagram post, and anything sponsored. So those are what I add. It really depends on the type of content you create. If you make daily content, like if you have a blog that you post daily on, or if you have a YouTube channel that you post daily on, mailing lists might not be the best thing for you unless you'd want to send out 1 email a week with like a playlist from the week. Other than that, I'd suggest doing something different, like a Facebook Messenger bot, which we will get to in a whole other video. But mailing lists are perfect for people who create content once or twice a week and want to share it with their audience. It's also great for businesses and entrepreneurs, a lot of bloggers. It's amazing for. A lot of times people find and think that they're obsolete, but they really aren't. Email lists, believe it or not, are still growing rapidly. A lot of it is due to people offering freebies or free downloads and goodies for people when they sign up for their email list. A lot of times there's some sort of PDF or workbook involved, and it's just a great way to get people involved with you and the content you're creating. Now, I've seen a lot of people make downloadable PDFs about like how to brand yourself and how to do this on social media, how to do that. And while it's all great for doing that, you want to offer something unique. If you have something that you do that's different than everybody else, then I'd offer that if you wanted to go the freebie route. Now, if you do want to go the freebie route, it's really simple to set that all up. I'd suggest using MailChimp as your platform. It's very easy to set up. It takes a couple of minutes at most. Just go in and click a few buttons, fill in a few lines, and you can get started immediately. What's great about it is they also have templates, so you don't have to go and build an entire email from scratch or an entire landing page from scratch, because that can be time consuming and scary. If you get started on MailChimp, or really any, I know there's ConvertKit and so many others. If you get started on those, it's very easy to set up a backdoor, so where somebody signs up for your email list and then they automatically get the download in return. It's very great. But sometimes doing that will result in some unsubscribes, so just keep that in mind. With your email list, I definitely suggest sending out the best of the best of your content. If you're sending it out weekly, then send out the best 1 or 2 videos you've created. If you're sending it out monthly, maybe send out 2 or 3 videos that you've created that you really love. Same with a blog post. If you're sending it out for a blog post and you only do like 1 blog post a week, then it's perfect to link that in and then link in like an Instagram post or a YouTube video that somewhat goes with it. With your email list, you want to make it clickable, make it something people want to connect with and open. If you don't do that, people aren't going to open it. It's kind of like clickbait in the way that you want people to click on it and you want people to open the content in it, so you need to give them something to want to open. So a lot of times people will use clickbaity titles when setting up their email list, which is not a bad thing. I've gotten many that are like, are you sure this is what you want to do? Or is it, are you making this one mistake? Things like that. Very simple, but it gets the attention, it gets people, it gets conversions from just reading to subscribers or to followers or even to customers if that's what you're searching for. It's also really amazing if you're a YouTuber who doesn't just do YouTube, if you also do like anything else really. it's really perfect to link people who might just know you from YouTube. Be like, oh, see, here's my videos, but here's also other content I create. If that long spiel taught you anything, it's that if you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or blogger, you need a mailing list, and it's very easy to set up. I will link MailChimp down below. I definitely suggest everybody do that. It's super easy and simple to set up. Like I said, they already have templates ready for you to go. It's really, really great. So yes, like I said, next week you guys will be getting a video on Facebook Messenger bots and why I personally use those instead. But yeah, I'm so excited for Youtober. I hope you guys are too. And since it's October 1st, I want to let you guys in on some really, really cool information. And that's, we are launching the vintage Being That Girl Boss merch today. I am so excited. I will pop some pictures up on the screen for you. I'm in love with it. I think it's so great. And I really, really hope you guys like it as much as I do. Like I said, I love it. I love it so much. I spent so much time putting work into it, and my best friend and I, we went back and forth for nights on designs, and these are our brainchilds and things we love so much, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do and as much as we do. So it'll all be linked down below. If you use the code WitchyWoman when you're checking out, you can get 10% off of your order, which is super amazing. It's honestly a big discount for what it is, but the prices are not bad. It's $25 a shirt, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which for this month, hopefully 31 days in a row. Yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at EmilyHesterNCS and at BTGirlBossPod. I will follow back on there. We're trying to hit 1,000 on Being a Girl Boss. If we do, we'll do a giveaway. Should be super fun. Yeah, so I'm done rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are ready for more videos that are coming tomorrow. Okay, yeah, bye.